Hey everyone, I'm going to show you real quick how to sign up for Missouri Connections, which we're going to be using a lot here in careers class, and then show you a little bit about how to access the checklists and get the content that you need for our careers exploration. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll come to careers in Canvas, and you need to click on this link, missouriconnections.org. And I'm going to open it in a new tab so you can see where it takes you. From here, you're actually going to type in one-time use username and password. You're not going to do your username for your laptop yet or your password because what you need to do is get into Missouri Connections in order to set up your account, and then you'll make your username and password. So the first thing that you're going to do is everybody's going to put in Reeds Spring MS, all one word. Don't forget the two S's right there, Reeds Spring MS, and your password is going to be 2 VIEWMOC. Again, Reeds Spring MS is the username, and 2 VIEWMOC will be the password that you all use. Remember, this is just the first time that you are going to be coming into Missouri Connections. You will not ever need to use this again except for this first time. Once you click Login here in Missouri Connections, it's going to take you to this page. We want to hit Never. We never want to save this password because this is not our name. My name is not Reed Spring MS. So I'm going to hit Never this first time. What I want to do is click on this Create My Portfolio link, and then since you're a new user, you want to click on Create My Portfolio again. Alright? So if you have followed those directions exactly, you'll be at this wonderful page called Create My Portfolio. And this is where you can put in your information, set up your username and password. So, filling this out, I'm going to use our favorite Wizarding World character, Harry Potter. And so pretend that I'm him. I'll put in his email. And if you are here going to be a 7th grader here in 2020, then I believe your graduation year will be 2026. Is that right? It might be 2025. But you would put 2026 as your graduation year, and then from here choose whether you're male or female, and your username is going to be the same username that you use for getting into your laptop. Okay, usually your first letter, your first name, and then your last name. Here's the trick. The password has to include 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase and 1 number. So here is what my suggestion that you actually need to do in order for everybody to have the same format is you are going to make a password, and what I want you to do is actually go and make a document to write your password and username down. And your password is going to be capital R, lowercase s, and then your lunch pin. Okay? If you don't know your lunch pin, you can just do a 6-digit number. Don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it needs to have a capital R, a lowercase s, and then your 6-digit lunch pin. That's what you're going to put in for your password. Make sure it's capital R, lowercase s, and your lunch pin. Okay? And then you're going to choose 2 security questions. You can choose any dessert, where your parents meet, and make sure you fill in both of these questions. I don't really care for mushrooms. And the first video game you played, oh man, that was Mario. Probably not for you guys, but that was for me. Then I'm going to submit this. Now, if you did it all correctly, you'll get this page saying, "Great job! You'll get saved to the program, and you get access. And if you've done that, then you'll see your name right here in My Portfolio. You can go ahead and edit an image in here, make your own cool emoji if you want to. You don't have to, but I like soccer, so I'm going to choose soccer. And this is how you set up your Missouri Connections account. When you're done getting your account set up, then you are going to hover over Plan. You can go ahead and explore this website. These are all things, tabs that you can hover over. And we are almost always in middle school going to hover over Plan and come down here to Checklists. Okay? And if you click on Checklists, you'll see the only checklist available to view is Careers Reed Spring Middle School. Okay, and there's 13 activities that we'll be using here for the next few weeks during summer school in Missouri Connections. So you'll want to go and click View, and when you fill these out, you'll get a green bubble that's filled in. Okay, so you're going to go down in order through these things and make sure that you have a chance to complete each of these. And you'll know that you've completed it when your green bubble is filled in. Alright, so that is Missouri Connections and how to set up an account.